Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm happy to be participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge that is hosted by Hillary over at Old World Home. A couple times throughout the year, Hillary hosts a $5 Goodwill Challenge, and what you do is you go to the Goodwill and you see if there are any items that you can use in your home decor or just around your house, but the challenge is to spend $5 or less. So I'm excited to be participating in this Christmas edition of the $5 Goodwill Challenge, and I wanted to share with you what I was able to find. So this is the item that I picked up at my Goodwill. I went to 2 Goodwills actually and didn't have very good success, and I finally kept looking, and this just kept speaking to me. This is a little tiny mailbox. It does have the old world, old traditional country Christmas look to it. That's what our theme is for our family's Christmas this year. It's old country traditional Christmas. I like the burlap browns and the deep reds with the flowers, the poinsettias, and all of those types of things. So this is called the Winter Wishes mailbox, and if you notice, it does open and you can put any winter wishes that you have inside, and it does also have the little flag so that you'll know there's some wishes in there. I spent exactly $1.18 on this Winter Wishes mailbox, and I'm going to put this in my Christmas village. My winter village. It's not very big, but it is very sentimental to me. This is a Christmas schoolhouse, and I probably got this during one of the first couple of years that I have was teaching. I'm now in my 21st year of teaching, so one of my students gave me this, and you can host a tea light candle in there, and then it will also illuminate the schoolhouse. So I keep it every year. Again, I've had it for, oh gosh, at least 15 years, probably longer than that. And I just put it out every year. The same with these 2 candles. These are actually pine tree candles. I've had them probably for about 20 years. We've never lit them, but they always make a pretty neat backdrop to the schoolhouse. And then I just had some little pine cones. These are the scented ones. Of course, the scents are really just about gone, but I thought that made a cute little addition. And what's better than a mailbox at your schoolhouse? And then we always keep the little Santa here, so Santa can go check on the Christmas wishes. So there it is. This is what we were able to find for our $5 Goodwill Challenge. So we do want to say thank you so much to Hillary for inviting us to come along on this winter edition or Christmas edition of the $5 Goodwill Challenge. I missed the last couple as I was not able to find anything that I really was falling in love with to bring into the house. But for us, nothing was better than the wish list mailbox. It adds so much to our Christmas village. So yep, thanks again for having us. If you're new to our channel or you're coming over from the collab, please feel free to hit that red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we liked your video. We are so honored to have you come over into our house and just spend a few minutes with us as we celebrate at being a part of this Goodwill Challenge. So until the next video, bye now.